to set up YouTube Kids on mobile device. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with this simple and straightforward steps. First of all, install the YouTube Kids app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open YouTube Kids from your home screen or app drawer. Once inside the YouTube Kids, you will get to see Get Started button available there. Simply tap on it. Then you'll be navigated to the sign in with parents account option available there. If you want to sign in, then you can simply sign in, but I'm skipping. Simply tap on the skip if you want to skip as well. Now you'll have to answer a mathematical question that a younger child cannot. Now you'll have to choose the content you would like to allow for your child, preschool, younger or older. Choose any according to the age. Once you choose it, simply tap on the continue option available there. Now here, the YouTube Kids will give you some parental tour guide. You can control to customize the experience further as well. And once done so, simply tap on the I agree option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.